So we've just left the Royal Cape and we've left Duncan Dock. You can see there we're in the middle of the channel heading up towards Blouberg Strand, and we're doing 5.7 speed. We are doing it's 5.6.
Cape Town port control, Cape Town port control, take rest, take copy.
Okay, so
She's for 9 months afterwards. What? The short girl she sort of fared much better.
wow. So guys, let me just introduce you to our intrepid crew. Pam, or no Pam? 30 seconds, your claim to fame, Pam.
Knowing you 40 years.
I don't know if that's a claim to fame, but
notoriety.
That's okay. Okay, Fran.
Hello.
Your claim to fame, 30 seconds.
It's a bit long.
Okay, 25.
Enough.
Okay. Happy? Okay. Conor?
Hello.
Conor, skipper for today.
Skipper for today.
Yeah.
Husband to Esther, that you'll meet next. And very happy to be on the water.
Okay. There's still a bit of swell left over from yesterday. Okay, Esther?
Hello, I am the rock star.
Okay, she's a
Married
rock
to
star.
that sexy ass badge.
Okay, well that's debatable, hey, but we'll give him.
You don't get to say.
Yeah, no. You'd be worried if I get to say.
Exactly.
Exactly.
It's my
So
fault
what's
you
happening with
couldn't-
the weather and the general? What's the general consensus, Skipper? What do you think?
We've got a northwesterly at the moment, and we're hoping it's going to turn around and turn into a southeaster, so that we can bomb down the coast towards Saldanha.
Yeah.
But at the moment it's pretty strong still.
Yeah. So.
North. Well, it's more north now actually.
Okay. So have you got a backup plan?
Backup plan is that we overnight at Royal Cape, and then leave tomorrow, hopefully when the wind is in the right direction.
Okay. What other chance do we have? What other backup plan do we have?
I don't think you've shared that with me, to be honest.
Okay. So if you think about it, we're sailing on a beat now to Blouberg Strand.
Yeah.
So when we do the next tack, we're going to be off Robben Island.
Yeah.
So we could just drop anchor outside Murray's Bay Harbour there. The guys have done it before. They let us do that now. We're not allowed to go into the harbour.
Okay.
But then we don't lose all our time spent, and we leave from there in the morning, because we've got everything on. We've got water, we've got food, we've got, you name it. So we're not going to, we don't have to come all the way back to Royal Cape.
I like that plan.
I think that's different. Shall we?
They allowed that.
Yeah, we'll just do it. We'll just say, look, we're on our way to Dassen and so on, and
Sweet.
so that might be something worth looking into. Okay,
Fantastic.
that's it. Okay, so we're away, and the time is
Time now is 12 o'clock.
midday.
12 noon.
Okay, we can listen to a weather report.
Yep.
12:15. So set your alarm to remind me. We'll listen to the shipping forecast at 12:15 local time, and then we'll see what comes up.
It's 12:15, eh, Captain?
12:15. Yeah.
Happy sailing.
That's it. Happy. So we are more or less on the northern edge of Robben Island. I don't know if you can see, this camera doesn't go focus very far. I don't know if you can see Robben Island there. And then we have,
At 9 meters.
yeah, come on Fran, you're the skipper. So, and we've got here Fran, we're getting a bit closer to the shore here. She says we're at 9 meters. So pretty soon, if she carries on, we can hear the waves. Carry on, we'll be in the waves. So Fran?
So I think we'll tack in.
Okay, well, you've got your crew. What are you going to tell your crew?
Okay.
Jump overboard, guys. We're about to
Abandoned ship.
abandon ship. Yeah.
Fran, what are you gonna do?
Okay, Fran, you doing this winch?
I'm going to release this one.
No.
Okay. I'm not. Fran's gonna do this one.
Oh, are you?
And you're doing that one.
Cool.
Okay.
Yes, take that short.
Yeah, I can just sit here with
Going about.
Take up the slack. Put another turn on. That's it. How are we doing? Are you coming about? Did you say coming about?
I said coming about, and I am.
Okay.
It's a bit
All right,
slow.
go. Straighten your helm before you do a 360. You don't want to go back to Royal Cape, do you?
No.
Okay.
the other one. Pam, here?
Uh-huh.
bit more to starboard if you can. See what's going up there. Yeah, you can come up quite a bit to starboard. Keep on a close haul.
Yeah.
Yeah, Pam, there's the winch handle.
Do you want to turn it?
Yeah. Yeah, that can come tighter. As tight as a duck's arse.
This time.
That's
See?
it. And you know how tight that is? How tight's that?
Good idea.
Watertight.
Watertight, exactly. It has to be. Okay, that should be okay.
It's actually getting nice and warm as well.
Yeah, it's beautiful. Okay, so we're off Melkbos more or less there. There's Kuburg in the distance. And now we're making a beat for the northern corner of Langebaan Island. So we'll see how we get. Yeah. There's a couple of boats on the northern end there going through. They must be there. We must get the helmswoman.
The next thing you need to get is a drone, and then you can fly that.
A drone, oh yeah.
That's having a drone.
Drones also.
Yeah.
Take pictures of the drone, put it under sail.
So Pammy's en route for Dassen Island. After sailing all day and getting as far as the end of Robben Island and opposite Kuburg, we decided stop wallowing around, it's time to go. So we put the donkey on and we've been motoring for the last hour and a half, 2 hours. Probably take another couple more before we get to Dassen Island.
Trying to get there for dinner and wine.
Exactly. So it'll probably be, it's going to be a late dinner. It'll be a sort of 10 o'clock dinner, but it doesn't matter, we don't have to leave early in the morning. So there often isn't much wind in any case until late-ish. So yeah, but you can see it's still very cloudy. It's strange weather. Fran, are you okay?
I'm good, happy.
Okay, Connor's sleeping at the back down below. I've been having a few snoozes, getting my second wind, waking up.
Yeah, Connor's right back into sloth mode.
Sloth mode.
Sloth mode.
Okay, all right.
I'm trying my gluttony, but no one's giving me food.
Oh, no, stick around. Okay, any comments, anybody? Everybody happy?
Loving it.
Very happy.
Loving it.
Cool. In the shot. Okay. I don't know how well this camera works in the dark. So what are we toasting? We've just dropped anchor in Granger Bay.
Island.
Yeah.
Okay, we've just dropped anchor in Granger Bay, and no, I meant House Bay. Yeah,
House Bay.
Dassen
He
Island.
wasn't the navigator.
Yeah, no, yeah, that's it. Cheers, Esther.
Cheers, Captain.
Cheers, Connor.
Cheers.
Well done. Yeah. Cheers, Esther. Cheers, Fran.
Captain.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Cheers, Ralphie.
The Ralphie is me. Cheers, Ralphie. Yeah, cheers. Okay. Cheers, guys. Anything else
No,
you want to add to your trip?
Thank you for an awesome sail, exhilarating as always.
Here.
Nearly lost Esther at the end, but we made
Yeah,
it.
we did. So this is the first morning, the 27th, in House Bay. It's about 6:30 in the morning. Had really good sleep. We came in quite late last night. You can see there's some of the other boats. There's quite a few. And see, there's quite a few around. And there you can see Dassen Island. Lighthouse. There's the lighthouse. There's a nice southerly breeze, very nice wind, so we're going to have a really nice following. This is what we actually wanted yesterday. This kind of wind is what we wanted yesterday, so we're going to get heading out down that direction where my finger's pointing, and it's only about 20 nautical miles to the entrance of Saldanha Bay, but we've got the right wind. Perfect. So we've got Fran is in charge today. She's the skipper, and we've got them flaking the jib. We're taking the jib away. We're going to keep it on the deck, but we're going to use the genoa because we've got downwind. We've got a southerly wind, so we want a nice light big sail out to make our life easier. So they're doing their thing. This is one of my oldest friends in Cape Town. Pammy, tell us the story of a life, Pam. In 10 seconds. 9, 8,
Concerts,
7,
met Ralph,
6,
friends
5,
ever since.
4, 3, 2, 0. See how quick that is. Okay. So Franny?
Can I give you your doormat?
No, let it dry. It's wet, yeah. It's going to go here.
Okay.
So Fran's skipper in charge today. Conor was skipper yesterday, his first mate.
Yeah.
And we're all crew. Okay. So Fran, what's your plan of action today?
Well, we're heading for Saldanha Bay and it's coming up southwesterly wind.
Which is perfect actually.
Yeah. And
Better than southeaster, I think.
And we're using the Genoa, which later we will pole out if the wind is
Yes,
strong
if
enough.
it's suitable. We might not need to pole it out. Because like this, you can see it's nicely full. So, yeah. Great. What are we doing? We're doing 4.2 over ground. 4.2. Yeah, it's not too bad. We've got about a 10 knot breeze. Yeah, I guess we can't complain, eh?
We had rain last night and there's quite a bit of water in the mainsail
Is there?
bag.
So be careful
Dripping
when we
through.
drop it down. You're going to get wet. So like this, it all runs forward. It'll be okay. Okay, everybody happy?
Yeah.
Good. We got a whole bunch of, what do you call it, pot of whales. What do you think they are, Pam? Humpbacks. Babies, yeah, look there, this one's quite close. Although it's been tricky with this camera. Yeah. They must be feeding. Remember all that krill that we saw? Show. Lots of them, even further towards the coast. Yeah. Yeah. Just how do you feel? But you're getting there. We'll start rocking. With the rocking will stop quite soon. Another half an hour.
My poor
So
husband.
your poor husband, yeah. And we can see the pain and suffering you're going through on behalf of your poor husband.
Yeah, I don't know what it feels like.
So, no,
I've
you have
never
no
been
idea.
there.
Unless you've experienced seasickness, Bill, you have no idea.
No.
Ask
Connor
Fran.
is
She
when-
has no idea what pain and suffering we go through on this boat.
When,
Yeah,
when
no idea.
Connor is in this kind
Hey,
of...
Fran and
I feel
Pammy?
very sorry for him. It's
Yeah, we do.
horrid.
Yeah, it is a disgust.
last
Terrible.
thing-
Just want to die.
The last thing he wants right now is someone falling over.
Yeah.
When Connor is sick, stay away.
Yeah.
Well, that's
I'm
why
in my
away.
cave. Leave me
Anybody
alone.
like that. Yeah.
In my
No,
cave. Leave me
I
alone.
want someone to come and say,
No, not if you're seasick.
Focus,
You
no,
don't.
not
Fran.
see, just want them to
Focus.
stay.
We're focusing.
Yes, I'm focused,
Okay.
Ralph.
You see old Schnooky behind you there? Can you see him?
See him rolling.
Okay, don't collapse the sail. Okay. Focus.
Yes, I'm focused.
Focus.
Yes.
Okay, there you can see Juten. We're quite close to Juten on this side. That's where all the cormorants are. And Malchas. It's difficult to see from here. Let me see if I can. Malchas is that island there with all those big rocks sticking out there. If you'll see anything here. That's a gannet colony. And there it's North Head Lighthouse, which is this. We're in the main channel of the entrance to Saldanha Bay. All the big ships come through here. But my skipper's throwing the boat all over the show. So yeah, I'd like
almost
oh,
as bad as you were.
but not quite. Not quite.
No one
Nearly
gets,
as bad.
no one's
I mean,
as
look
bad
at this
as
camera.
you.
Look what this camera is doing. You know, it's like being thrown all over the show. See a red thing? That's it. Okay,
Okay.
it's working.
Okay, we are at Saldanha Bay in between the mussel traps. Skipper Ralph is bringing us into anchor. Pam,
And our illustrious compatriot there is reviving after his seasickness. He's
Poor Conor is looking a bit pale still, but he's managing a smile.
You managing a smile there, Conor?
Hey!
Good, good. That's it. And Esther Key, what are you up to?
I'm standing at the back taking my own video.
Okay. Cool bananas. Yeah. So, guys, there we are. This is lunch on day 2 at the mooring in Saldanha Bay. There's Snooky. She's into it. Connor's feeling a bit
Rough still.
delicate still. Connor, say hello.
I'm alive. Hello.
He's alive, but he's feeling a bit delicate, so he's got to get his strength back. Yeah.
He's not sick, but he's not well.
Meanwhile, Fran
Getting
and Pam are getting stuck into this beautiful lunch.
Wow, it's a
Quiche
Which the
and-
two of them prepared.
Yeah, it
Thank
looks
you so
beautiful.
much.
I
And the
didn't
last
have
of my
anything to
homemade
do
bread
with
here.
it. It's all- yeah.
Until I bake a new one on the morrow. That's it. Okay, everybody happy?
Fantastic.
Awesome.
What a
You happy?
beautiful salad. Wow.
Morning, guys. It's the morning of day 3. It's probably about 5:15. We need to be going by 6. We need to be up and off by 6 a.m. because high tide is at 7:30 and we can only get into Kraalbaai on high tide. So we need to be there by 7:30. So we're getting up early this morning and we're going to hit the road, as it were. So just to show you, see the sunset? And just giving you a little tour, a little view of where we are at our mooring. There's the yacht club way down in the distance there. That's the Saldanha Bay Yacht Club. And this is the other side, all the way around. Beautiful morning, but it's quite windy. We have to be motoring, unfortunately, because it's dead into the wind. The place that we're going to is Kraalbaai. I'll show you on the chart later on. It's dead into the wind, but it'll probably take about half an hour to an hour's motoring. So, yeah, we'll see how it goes and keep you posted. So, morning of day 3. Cheers, guys. Tell us, day 3.
Day 3. It's 6 o'clock in the morning.
That's it. And there's Snooky coming, looking like slowly waking up. Okay. Yeah. So 6 o'clock in the morning, day 3, and you
We're setting
chirpy.
off, yeah, setting off from Saldanha Bay
Heading to
to Kraalbaai, where we have to get in before the tide, while the tide is high.
at 7:30 this morning. Yeah, that's why we are.
Yes.
Okay, now you can go through and then find a gap straight through. You'll see the channel markers through the mussel traps. Just be careful not to close here. Make this gap first and then you can close in. So Conor, you can see we'll always be able to spot him even on a dark night. Okay. These are bloody good, you know,
Yeah.
I must say. Conor got this one for me and he got that one. So I thought, okay, I think I'll stick to this one. But those are great because you...
Wanted one to match his salopens.
Yeah, yeah,
I just wanted to be seen if I fell overboard.
yeah, yeah,
As long as you float.
Yeah.
yeah. So... sunset. Okay, so go straight. See if you can go, yeah, more or less straight. You can see the middle of the channel there. Take that gap. Now, like this, if you want to go through the same way we came through yesterday, it's also fine. You see those two black boys there? Just watch out for those two black boys. So, that's port control. Control. Snooky's waking up.
She can't find her shoes again. That cabin is a black hole. I've decided.
Yeah, well, it's,
But it's also because that cooler box is in the way.
I know, and it's massive. We should try and find a spot, but we have to be careful that it doesn't slide around.
You know, I found my shoe.
So we are approaching Kraalbaai. Fanny on the bow. It's quite windy. our friend Conor here is at the helm, doing a great job at helming, bringing us around. Pammy's chilling, checking the birds out. What are we? We're still on. What are we on? 3.8.
Yeah.
3.8 depth. We're doing 4.2 on the ground, and that's the we're using. Yeah, there's one. Yeah, there's another one close in, but I don't see it. So I think we'll just stay close in like this, you know, until we get around and then go left.
Chain, they've got a,
Yeah, yeah.
That's Anchor Road.
So we're at. We've just dropped anchor in Kraalbaai. Franny, you happy?
Happy.
Pam, you happy?
I'm happy.
It's a beautiful setting, eh?
Could it be more picturesque?
That's the west coast. It's very. It's beautiful.
This is as picturesque as the
Yeah.
west coast gets.
Yeah, no, look there. There's even some greenery on the headland there.
You want palm trees, Esther.
Yes.
Yeah.
It's not Fiji.
Of
Yeah,
Bahamas.
it isn't. And then you'll have mosquitoes, so you've got palm trees and that's it.